to restore backup from Google Drive on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you need to do this during the initial configuration or first setup. This is the best way to restore the backup from our Google Drive. So over here, once you choose the Wi-Fi and if you go next, you will need to probably restart for the service provider. So let's press the restart. After the restart is done, of course, we have the option to connect to mobile network, but it doesn't matter what we choose, we can go next. Now let's wait for the next screen. And there we go. This is the information that we are looking for, copy apps and data. Once you see this, you want to press next. And then over here, you want to choose can't use other device. And after that, let's see what we have next. And after that, we have to sign in to our Google account. So let's do this. And of course, we need to agree to terms of service of Google. And once we sign in, you will see all the backups that you have linked to your Gmail account. So if you have any backups on your Google Drive, you should be able to select it over here and then proceed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.